Cool trader. So why don't we talk about gold? To me, gold is in a big bullish momentum. I am still holding gold buys from February 11th, or these lows right here. And my latest VIP um, gold buy is up about 130 pips or so. Actually, 110 pips, targeting 550 pips. Here's my VIP trade on gold. This is the hourly chart. And if you want to be part of that, you know the link is below this video. But why don't we talk about gold and why I'm so bullish in gold? Of course, you already know that what's going on between Russia and Ukraine is super sensitive, geopolitically speaking. That is going to make money move from um, riskier investments into safe havens such as gold. So that's why risk has turned off. That's why we are seeing also some dips in equities. But if we go to the 3-day chart, what I'm looking at, technically speaking, by the way, it's just a break of this massive bullish flag. So I am really jumping in here for the possibility of the next big bullish run in gold. Now, that is on the daily chart. On the 3-day chart, on the daily chart, you can see that whilst we are actually looking for price is oscillating between this very strong 1000 pip zone of resistance, right? But what I dig about the upside here is that even after this massive rejection of that level, yesterday's candle was extremely bullish. That's a powerful signal from bulls that they are in control of this market. Now, on the lower time frames, I'm going to show you the main reason I dig my latest buys in gold and my buys on February 11th, which were right here. So I'm still holding those buys. Was having taken profits along the way, and I have new buys around these levels, right? Now, if you notice, this is a big bullish structure that gold is trading in. Very atypical to see such a structured market in gold, and that's why I'm taking action to really trade it accordingly because it is giving me high probability setups. Now, the latest dip towards the previous broken highs and that weekly pivot really doesn't scare me because my stop losses, as you all saw here on my latest trading gold, are just below February lows. That means that if price reverses on me, and even if it reverses on me and retests the previous lows, right, my trade is still going to be active, right? But if it breaks with February lows, I am protected towards a possible move downside because the structure that I'm trading would be broken, so my trade would be invalid. But as you already saw, yesterday was extremely bullish, and today we have seen a dip towards that weekly pivot, towards those previous broken highs, which means that this bullish reaction that we are seeing on this 3-hour candle can and will be just a deep buy opportunity and has been just a deep buy opportunity. Now, my first targets on this on this long in gold are of course February highs, around February highs, because guess what? I don't fucking know if buyers are going to be strong enough to break with February highs and continue this massive bullish run. That's why I'm taking about 70% off here and then letting the rest of it run because of what I just showed you on the higher time frames and playing that massive flag on the breakout. So if you want to be part of the VIP team and get my trades, the link is below this video.